Next topic is the tens complement calculation. So tens complement calculation is, that is the formula. Tens complement can be calculated 9's complement plus 1. That is the 9's complement plus 1 is called as the tens complement. So it is the tens complement is equal to 9's complement plus 1. 9's complement plus 1. It is called the tens complement. So that how to calculate the 9's complement? The 9's complement can be calculated. That is called the 9's complement can be calculated. That is the 9 minus that number, whatever that number. For example, 9's complement is the number n. So the 9's complement value is 9 minus n. So that is the 9 minus n. So in this regard, in this one, so 9's complement, for example, I am taking that example. So what is the 9's complement? What is the 10's complement value of 89? For example, 891. So calculate 10's complement. 10's complement of n equal to 891. So that in this one n equal to 891. So that what is the 9's complement value? 9's complement of 891 is, that is how to calculate 9's complement is equal to, first of all you can subtract this value from the 999 because of it is a 3-digit code. So 999, 891 minus 8, it is the minus 8 minus 891. So minus 891. So you can subtract 891 from 999. So what is the value in this one? What is that value? It is the 9 minus 1, 8. So in this one value is 8. LS bit is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. And also 9 minus 0. And also 1. So 101 is the 9's complement value. So what is the 10's complement value? So 10's complement is plus 1. So you can add plus 1. Plus 1. So what is that value? Plus 1 means that is 109. So 10's complement value is 109. So it is called the 109. It is called the 10's complement. So that 891 10's complement value is 109. So you can calculate like this one. So the next one, subtract, for example, subtract, for example, 72532 minus 3250. So that you can subtract the 3250 value from the 7253. So that in this one subtraction, that is it is the plus value, it is the negative value. So subtraction. So in this one, for example, always for binary number. So subtraction, for example, a minus b. A minus b means it is calculated a plus b bar. That is the b bar. That is the b bar plus b bar. That is the top is the, you can put a bar. So a plus b bar. In this one you can put a bar plus 1. Plus 1. It is the a plus b bar plus 1. So that a minus b is equal to a plus b bar plus 1. B bar means complement. B bar means complement. So in this one, it is the a value. So a equal to 7 to 532. So b equal to 3 to 50. So what is the b bar value? So b bar, you can calculate the b bar. B bar value is it is the decimal value. So that first calculate the 9's complement, 10's complement value. So that how to add these values? So first of all, you can calculate the 10's complement of the 3 to 50. So b bar value can be calculated with the 10's complement value. 10's complement. So how to calculate the 10's complement? 3 to 50. First of all, 9's complement. 9's complement of b is how to calculate? That is the 9999 minus 3 to 50 is equal to what is the value? So 947.6. So it is the 67, that is the 6749, and also it is the how many digits? This one 1 2 3 4 5 digit, but it is the 4 digit. So that you can put another 0 here. You can put another 0. So here put 1 0. So here again you can put 1 9. So it is the 9. So that because of it is the 5 digit code, but it is the 4 digit code. So 4 digit code will be converted into 5 digit. You can put a 0. So both are equivalent range digits. So that how many digits? This is the 5 digit. So that you can put 5 9s minus 0 3 to 50. So 96749. So after that you can add a plus. So after that you can perform a plus b bar plus 1. So what is that a value? A equal to 7 to 532. And also what is the b bar plus 1? That is it is the a value. After that b bar plus 1 bit is equal to what is the 96749. So you can add these two. So that is the 7 to 532 plus 96749. So you can add these two. So what is this one? 9 plus 2 means 11. Here carry is 1. So after that 7 8 5 plus 2 12. It is the carry is 1. The next one 9. It is the 9 plus 7 6. Carry is 1. So that what is that value? 69281. 69281. It is the value. So 69281 is the value. So it is the total value. So you can calculate the subtraction like this one. So that it is called a complement will be help in that is in the subtraction. So that it is the subtraction of the number. The next one is the signed magnitude numbers. The next topic is the signed magnitude numbers. Signed magnitude numbers. So signed magnitude numbers means in the earlier we are not considering the sign bit. For example, in this one we are not considering the sign bit. So in this one sign means the sign bit is indicating MSB bit position. So for example, 6, we are set 6. 6 without giving the sign means it is called a positive sign. So 6 means in the binary representation, that is the 0, 1, 1, 0. It is the 6. So that in this one, so MSB bit you can put 0, no problem. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. It is called as a 6. In case negative 6, minus 6 is indicating, that is the minus 6 means, so negative sign. So negative means 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So in case in this one, MS bit, it is the MS bit. MS bit is indicating the sign bit. If positive sign means, sign means 0. Negative sign means one. So that in case if the number is the positive sign means you can put MS bit is 0. If it is negative sign means you can put MS bit is 1. So that you can put any number like this one. So that is called the sign and magnitude numbers. So that always the negative numbers can be represented in a 2's complement. Suppose the binary negative numbers always represented in a 2's complement. And also always the negative decimal numbers can be represented in a 10's complement. So that always negative binary number can be represented in 2's complement. And also decimal negative numbers can be represented in 10's complement. So that negative binary numbers can be represented in 2's complement. Decimal negative numbers can be represented in 10's complement. So that you can, any number. So we can take that any number, it can be represented in the negative numbers can be represented in the 2's complement. Decimal negative numbers can be represented in the 10's complement. Always the positive numbers can be represented in the direct way. Positive numbers can be represented in positive numbers can be represented how to represent in the positive numbers can be represented in sign and magnitude numbers. So that you can put MSB 0 bit in the number. So that is called the positive number representations.